Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make Facebook private so only friends can see. Just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click here, go to setting and privacy and then settings, then click privacy. And then you see here, who can see your future post? Click here, edit, and here just you can choose public, is mean anyone on or off Facebook can see it, friends, accept, and then you choose who they are accept, and even here you can choose more, review all your posts and things you are tagged in, and even if you want to limit past posts, just you can click here, and who can see the people base and list you follow. I have public, but just click edit and you can choose them. Okay guys, this is a video how to make Facebook private so only friends can see. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.